How to share GitHub repository link. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you share your GitHub repository link. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the source field, search for GitHub. Now from here, simply click on github.com. And from here, after you logged in with your account, simply you'll have to click on your profile icon just at the top right corner. From here, click on the option Your Repositories. From here, select your repository whom you want to share. Click on that. After here, on the section Quick Setup, you'll get an option for sharing your link like for HTTPS or SSH. Simply select one and you'll be able to copy the link of your repository. Simply select and you can as usual copy that. After that, you will be able to share your repository link on any social media platform. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.